Hi guys, this is Dr. Shravya from Manipal and Columbia Asia Hospitals. So today we are going to talk about superfoods. Superfoods for hair and superfoods for skin. Usually both of them go hand in hand, which is why I'm not making two separate videos or talking about it separately. Usually I love to call what is known as a rainbow diet. Now what is a rainbow diet? We all know the rainbow comprises of different colors, Vibgyor. Basically a very bright, colorful diet. Now, what does this include? What comes straight to your brain is brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Why the bright colors? Because bright colors bring with them a lot of antioxidants, namely carotenoids and flavonoids. So, these antioxidants which are present in these brightly colored fruits and vegetables, whether it's carrots or capsicum or green leafy vegetables or muskmelons or watermelons or citrus fruits, all the all the brightly colored fruits and vegetables carry a lot of antioxidants. Why are antioxidants good for skin and hair? Because they fight the free radicals. In simple words, the toxins or damage causing molecules in our body that we derive from our lifestyle, from our junk food, from our bad habits, and all of that is neutralized by antioxidants in the body. So, the more the antioxidant properties of your body, the better off you are. So, let us start off by seeing what your diet is. You should always consult with a dermatologist or a nutritionist or a dietitian to get an adequate amount of protein, fiber, carbohydrates, as well as antioxidants and nutrients in your meals. So, try to cater to different fruit families and vegetable families so that you're not sticking onto one. Make it interesting so that it's palatable. It's always important that you also enjoy what you eat. You're not just gobbling something just for the heck of it. So enjoy what you eat. So make a salad, for example. Try to switch to salads, fruit salads, vegetable salads, mix up the two. Try to put chia seeds for better gut health. Gut health is directly related to skin health as well. I usually recommend a huge bowl of fruits and vegetables, which is rainbow colored. Also, you can ask your dermatologist if you have a very busy lifestyle and you really don't have the time to cater to actually cooking healthy food or something like that. There are pills which we give, which are nutritional supplements, which are concentrated with antioxidants. I pop one every day, so it's not like a medicinal thing, it's a supplement, so it's also good for you, but I always prefer any day that this is taken in the natural form into the body. So think about this. And for hair, the only addition I would make is, apart from just antioxidant properties, you need to have a diet very rich in iron. Iron is the single most important component for hair growth and preventing hair loss, alongside of the other micronutrients. Of course, selenium, zinc, magnesium, everything plays a huge role, but iron specifically causes a lot of hair loss in a lot of women as well. So make sure you have your green leafy vegetables, iron rich dry fruits, walnuts, figs, pistachios, cashew nuts, anything that you can set your hands on. Please have a handful of dry fruits every single day and you are set. Apart from that, stress less alongside of the food. Always stress less and make sure you enjoy your diet.